evening, everybody. Bobby Two Pumps Breaks. It is Saturday, the 9th of July, and we are breaking Bond Box full-size helmets. We randomed up our 20 remaining box numbers. Box number 7 is what we got. We did random team sales for this. On your left, we have already randomized teams and customers, alphabetized everybody, gave you all a chance to trade. Not really many offers going down, though. Here we go. Wow, man, we are hitting friggin' huge here tonight, guys. We are on a nasty, nasty, nasty run. Miami's going to take that. This is going to be our 4th flex in 5 boxes, guys. Bam! Going to be our Steelers triple sign. Tell the truth, guys, I forget who the hell that is. Maybe Jason or someone can tell us. But it is TJ Watt, Devin Bush, and I forget who the hell that is offhand, guys. I can look it up on if y'all want. But going to be the speed flex for the Steelers has the 3D bumpers, also has the visor, red key certification on it. Gonna be Steelers triple sign there for Pittsburgh. Well, that one's going to pack there, and then Miami got the freebie. Well, Knick-Knack gonna get the do-over on it. We are hitting pretty damn nasty there tonight, guys. That is 4 flexes in 5 boxes. Hang on, guys. There's pictures in here, actually. I can see who the hell that is. Bush. I have no idea that's who it is, though. I said I forget who the hell the third SIG is there, man. I can't remember right now. I'm drawing a total freaking blank. But that is your third SIG there. If I forget that damn thing's backed on it, that freaking thing. Alright, we're down to 19 boxes, guys, and we are hitting super sick here. Up to you whether we fill something else tonight. Alright, your keeps are 20, guys. Your keeps go right back to 20. No 18 on keeps. Make sure it's when you send over, guys. Yep, no 18 on keeps. It is 20 for keeps. So make sure when you send over, guys. Alright, that's going to wrap up that one. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central, guys. Bobby Two Pops Breaks. You all have a good one.